Okay, praise the Lord. I don't know exactly whether it is 25 years ago, 24 years ago, or 23 years ago, a child was born. And this child was born in one of the greatest slums, the largest of it, in Kenya. And this child didn't have hope. He didn't have anywhere to cling to, or to say this is what I have, or this is what I want to be. He didn't have that. And so as he was growing up, this child always depended on what people will call like trash. They will say, you don't have the best of it all. You don't have good shoes. You don't have good clothes. All you have is tatters. But I thank the Lord because after 23, 24, 25 years ago, the child is standing before you. And that child is me. It is because I was born in this environment where it's called Korogocho. Korogocho, as it goes, it's like, you see sometimes when you have boiled the eggs and you remove the shell, those pieces are what we call Korogocho. And so this child was born in that environment where everything was, like nothing. And today he's celebrating simply because of somebody somewhere in the US who believed and had hope for this child. And it is through compassion today I'm celebrating the miracle of being in LDP. It is today I'm celebrating the never-ending happiness in me of having a degree from the university, something I never dreamt of, something I never thought of, something that never crossed my mind. But today I'm celebrating that. Today I'm saying bravo to all the sponsors in LDP and in Compassion CDSP, simply because you have given us a future. We didn't have a future. None of us had a future. If you look at the lives of all these people, he was a fisherman in the lakes in the western side of this country. If you look at him, who was a sugarcane planter in the western side of this country. If you look at her, she comes from also one of the largest slums in this country. He comes from one of the weird places. All of us, we have different stories to tell. But one of the best stories we can tell today is that we have a future. Simply because somebody somewhere in the US believed and trusted in us. And by picking that package, picking that child, by my number, which was 267, I can never forget that. KE37210267. Somebody just picked that packet and decided to sponsor me. And that's why I'm celebrating today. That's why I'm saying I have a good life. I have a good future. Simply because somebody in the US gave something towards my education, towards my clothing, towards even I getting a good place to sleep on. That is the, because the CDSP they used to give us Godoro. Mattresses. They gave us the blankets. At least, even if you are sleeping in that shanty house, you could be warm. And it is because of compassion. And I thank you all. And today, as they have proved, we are having each and every 10 LDP students sponsoring a child, regardless of the country. And it is happening because that miracle has been working in us, and you want to impact the same miracle to somebody else somewhere. And it is because of our compassion. Thank you, all of you. God bless you.